I am a mango, and leaving me in direct sunlight while unripe damages my taste and texture. Heat and light create softer, even right till I pats.
Heat and light create soft spots, uneven ripening, and dry patches. Keep me at room temperature in a shaded area until I ripen fully.
I am a pineapple, and leaving me cut on the counter accelerates spoilage. My exposed flesh browns, dries out, and becomes unsafe. Cover me and refrigerate immediately after cutting. I am a kiwi, and storing me near bananas and apples makes me overripen too fast. My skin darkens and my texture softens.
Keep me separate until I'm ready to eat.
We are grapes, and tight sealed storage makes us moldy and squished. Lack of airflow damages our skin and accelerates spoilage.
I am a strawberry, and storing me wet in a sealed container makes me moldy and soft. Moisture accelerates spoilage and damages my flavor.
Always dry me first and use a breathable container.
Have you seen those viral videos where fruits actually talk? In this video, I'm going to show you how I create talking fruit videos using free AI tools step by step. I'll walk you through the exact prompt, the image setup, and how everything comes together to create engaging cinematic results.
I ahead and pasted this prompt in ChatGPT, and I said, I told ChatGPT to master the prompt. I said, you are a senior 3D medical and educational visualization artist. Create cinematic 3D image prompt illustrating improper storage of fruits and vegetables for health and educational purposes. So these are most of the things ChatGPT have to break them down. It break them down, and I also added that it should give me an image description of the characters, as you can see, the fruits. Sorry, it should give me the image description of the fruit. As you can see, this is mango and strawberry. You can choose any fruit of your choice. This is pineapple. This is grapes and kiwi. All right. Oh, that is it. When I scrolled and I said I needed a scene by scene image with dialogues for each fruit. So it went ahead and it break it down for me. This is the scene description. This is image prompt. Yeah. And this is the dialogue. So this is how it's break all of them down. All right. So if you want the prompts, you'll see it in my Telegram channel. All right. So let's forge ahead. I'm going to paste this one in my notepad. Then I'm going to generate the images one after the other. So this is the one I'm going to create. I'm going to copy this and let's move over to Whisk AI. So let's go to Whisk AI. So I'm going to paste my prompts here. I'm going to select all and paste my is the image it gave me. This is the image it gave me. So you can as well, I'm going to download this, then I'm going to try another tool. You can as well try another tool and check the one that's the image that resonates with you. Okay. If this one doesn't work well, probably the image is not giving you what you really want. You can look for another image generator and generate it. So I'm going to select all and paste and generate the second one. Okay. So this is the strawberry. Okay, this is the strawberry. Actually, I said I wanted one and it gave me others. So I'm going to leave it like that. Okay. So I'm going to click here and download it. I'll do the same. So the next one is pineapple. All right. Oh, this is pineapple. Okay, so I'm gonna download it. So I'm going to all right, so this is grape. So I'm going to download this one. This is great as well. We are done generating our images. Okay, we are done generating our images. So I'm going to move over to Grok AI. If you don't have Grok AI, you can go to your Play Store and download it. Okay, or you use this your site and type your website and type grok.com. Okay, so I'm going to go to. Okay, you're going to see 9 by 16, 16 by 9. So I'm going to choose 16 by 9. And here it says automatically generate videos to animate. So I'm going to turn this off. So after that, then I'm going to upload those images that I got, those images that I generated using Whisk AI. I'm going to make them to come alive. So we're going to start with mango. So this is mango. I'm going to wait until it's done loading. Then going over to, all right, I'll go ahead to my notepad and I've gone ahead to my notepad and I've copied the dialogue for mango. So I'm going to paste this and add no background sound should be heard. So you're generating the video. And while it's generating, I'll go back to my notepad and download and copy the dialogue for strawberry.
I am a mango, and leaving me in direct sunlight while unripe damages my taste and texture. Heat and light create softer, even rain till light pats. I am a mango, and leaving me in direct sunlight.
So after that, you're going to click here and download. Okay. I'm going to click here and download. Then you click here and go back and still upload another image of your choice. All right, I've copied my dialogue. So I'm going to go to Imagine. This is Imagine. When I place it on Imagine, I'm going to click here and select animate photo. Select another image. I'll select I'm going to select another fruit, which is pineapple. Alright, so then after uploading the pineapple image, the next thing I'm going to do is to paste your dialogue here. You paste your dialogue and hit generate. But actually, as you can see, the dialogue is much. You have to edit it and reduce the length. You have to reduce it so that it will not be talking fast. Now, after that, you're going to hit generate. So let's wait for our video to be ready. Let's see the outcome of our video.
I am a pineapple, and leaving me cut on the counter accelerates spoilage. I am a pineapple.
Alright, now, as you can see, I splitted the dialogue into two. So I'm going to press the remaining one here. Alright, I've pressed the remaining prompt, so I'm going to hit generate. The video is ready. Let's see the outcome of the video.
My exposed flesh browns, dries out, and becomes unsafe. Cover me and refrigerate immediately after cutting. My exposed...
If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and allows me to bring you more AI tutorials like this. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content creation tips.
Alright, so moving to the next, which is kiwi. We are going to do the same thing we did. I'm going to copy the dialogue. Remember to copy, the dialogue shouldn't be too lengthy. The dialogue shouldn't be too lengthy. If it's too lengthy, it will be talking fast. And your audience will understand what your fruit is talking about. I have to reduce it. So, firstly, I'm moving over here. I'm going to select the kiwi, the image of the kiwi, and this is where I'm going to paste the prompt. Remember, you can use any accent of your choice. Normally, I use Nigerian English for mine, so you can choose the accent that resonates with you. So after pressing the dialogue, adding no background sound. That is a normal routine. No background sound, so that there won't be any noise in the background. So after that, you hit generate.
Alright, so let's see our video.
Softens. I am a kiwi, and storing me near bananas and apples makes me overripen too fast. My skin darkens and my texture softens. I am a
Okay. After that, you download. Okay, I'm going to copy the remaining. So I'm going to press the remaining prompts, then I'll hit generate.
Keep me separate until I'm ready to eat. My skin darkens and my texture softens.
Alright, so I'm going to select this strawberry. Yeah, I'm going to select strawberry and I'll add it here. Now I'm going to add Nigerian English to it. Remember, you can choose any country accent. Alright. So after that, I'm going to add no background sound to it. Background sound. Then I'll hit generate. Let's see the result.
Creeps and tight sealed storage makes us moldy and squished. Lack of airflow damages our skin and accelerates spoilage.
Okay, so that is beautiful. Then you click here and download.
Yeah, when we're going to use the same method to generate all your dialogues. We're going to use the same method to generate all your dialogue.
I'm going to take two and you're going to get the same result. Right after that, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your editing tool. So I'll be using CapCut, alright, to edit all of them. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on new project. When I click on new project, yeah, I'll click on new projects. Then I'm going to go to download, yeah, and I'll see it as you can.
The next thing is editing your video. So I went to CapCut and I selected new video. Now I'm going to select any I'm going to select download. Then I'll choose all the videos of my choice. I'm going to select these videos. Okay, I'm going to select all of them one after the other. So after selecting all of them, the next thing to do is to arrange all of them. Okay, after arranging all of them, you can add your auto caption and add your background sound. So, alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to audio and select sound. So when I select sound, I'm going to pick the background sound of my choice. So I generated my sound using Suno AI. You can get yours as well. Because I don't want to have copyright. So I'm going to choose this one. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my auto caption. Yeah. Now I'll select generate. Alright, it is ready. So I'm going to play it now. Let's see the results.
I am a mango, and leaving me in direct sunlight while unripe damages my taste and texture. Heat and light create soft, even ready to light hats. Heat and light create soft spots, uneven ripening, and dry patches. Keep me at room temperature in a shaded area until I ripen fully. I am a pineapple, and leaving me caught on the counter accelerates spoilage.
My exposed flesh browns, dries out, and becomes unsafe. Cover me and refrigerate immediately after cutting. I am a kiwi, and storing me near bananas and apples makes me overripen too fast. My skin darkens and my texture softens. Keep me separate until I'm ready to eat. We are grapes, and tight sealed storage makes us moldy and squished. Lack of airflow damages our skin and accelerates spoilage.
I am a strawberry, and storing me wet in a sealed container makes me moldy and soft. Moisture accelerates spoilage and damages my flavor.
Always dry me first and use a breathable container.
Alright, so this is beautiful. After that, you see your background style, you have to split it into two, and the remaining part I don't need, you're going to delete it, and you export your work. Okay, you export your work. That is all.
This is Coach Mira AI signing out. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when I release new videos. Bye and see you in the next one.